Hey guys, so it is day number 5, and let's look at what we can see right now. As you can see, USD has broke this whole trend line. Question is it going to hold? Now, this is a deep fall, but also I've done it before. But this right here, this support is drawdown to heavy. So there is news that come out at 8:30, which is unemployment. So we'll wait for that, and we'll find a move off that. Right now, it's still a solid 3%, 365 pips. So 3.65%. I'm not gonna be looking to get in until news come out, because if unemployment comes out good, this will drop. Of course, unemployment come out bad, it can come up. It'll possibly come back down. Also, we could also really wait for one of these again, retracements off this whole support line. As you can tell, this resistance, has been touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. So this could retest and come back down. Not 100% for sure, of course. But all we know is in this area, the next play we're looking for is this H4 demand zone. And then if it falls underneath here, we know it's going to complete this whole area. But the next target will be right here. Then, of course. All right, guys, so it's currently 9:06. We have a setup that is looking to happen. As you can see, come down and retest this area back to short. It's something that I like to play. But it is before 9:30, so I don't know if it really will make a difference, because this is also a New York session that's already open. But we're looking at a 273 pips on that trade. I'm looking to take a short at this area right here. Stand patient, waiting for it to happen before I enter the trade. All right, guys. We in our positions. All right, guys. So sorry for the loud center noise, but as you can see, we're in the position. It's 9:13. We did get it in a little bit before the market opens. I don't like doing this as much, but the market was definitely falling and it had come for a retest. So we in for 2 positions. I don't know how I got added for 3rd position without. I put in a stop loss. I could have sworn I did, and I got in for 3 positions, as you will see in a second. So I'm trying to put in my stop loss, and when I press the stop loss, it added me in for another sell position, and I don't like that at all. So as you can see, we are in profit. We up a total of $1,500. So I'm thinking the market's honestly going to fall to that full hour, because that's what it looks good to go to. You know what I'm saying? But, it is what it is. You'll see what happens in the video. All right, so market just opened. I'm still on my phone, not on my computer. But you see how close it is to that H4 demand, bro. And remember, you seen the chart, how many times I had touched it. Right there, I was like, man, I think I should go ahead and, take out. But I was like, no, the market just opened. So let's see if this wants to retest. Now, mind you, when it fell all the way down, I was up about 7, 8. Then that whole thing went up. So, of course, if we go past that resistance area, I am going to have to take out for profits. And I'm up about 3 grand easily right now. And I didn't like the way that looked, honestly. So, I was ready to close. So, I try to close out my position, but my trade locker freaking froze on me. Literally, it froze on me. So right when I got in, logged in on my computer, I heard it clicked out of everything. So came in profit 3,000. I was up literally like 8. I was crazy. The app froze and I was trying to get out, but it's fine. We got the dub. That's all that matters, honestly. So I was trying to get out right here. Right here, it was up like 8. Again, we got in right here, guys. It broke this support, so that's why I'm not going into the trade. All right, so this part, my dad is on my butt, bro, because I'm trading, and it's 940 something, I think. It's like 9:42, 9:43, and he really is so mad, bro, because I came outside to trade. But he knows I trade. So this is where my whole day just takes a whole downshift. From this point forward, I'm still looking to get into a sell. And I know it's so close to that 4 hour support. I'm like, it's gonna retest down and go back lower. So I'm constantly checking my phone, looking at the trades to try and get in and out the trades. And I'm like trying to trade while he's not looking at me, because I don't want us to argue just because I'm trading. So it ends up losing the account for the day because situations can control my account. My account kept freezing on the app. It wouldn't pop up or load. Obviously, because the app is brand new. That's why you need to stay on the web platform. But yeah, that happened. But it sucks. Gotta look back in. So yeah, pretty much everything that I made yesterday only had 1,000 left. So I know, even though it is after 11, I see a high probability setup right here. I'm gonna let you guys see. So right here, I know I shouldn't even trade it at all, but I thought this was a great high probability setup to get in for a sell. I was up already. You know, I lost pretty much 14,000. You know, I should have been done trading, meaning I lost 3% already. Wasn't thinking about it. And I see the SPY going up. So CAD is supposed to be going down. But CAD wasn't going down. They kept going up. All right, and so fast forward y'all real quick to this. Got in the trade, bro. Mind you, SPY goes up, CAD usually goes down. When SPY kept going up, bro, CAD kept going up, and CAD did not drop not one time. It was a perfect retest opportunity off the 15-minute, and it did not happen. So in the result of that, this is when I blew the account, I guess. And I couldn't get back into the app to even close my profits. So it just kept running because I was going through the app on my phone. And yeah, I got that. Unfortunately, Deshaun Ellis, your account got breached on phase 1. But yeah, so that's some of the things when it comes to trading CAD, bro. I know it trades opposite of USD, but it still does what it wants to do at the end of the day. The market is always right. You can never disagree with it. Trader depression is real. Catch you up to speed, lost the account. If you can avoid, don't trade while at work. Because situations happen. Yesterday, my friend Cab, trade locker froze on him on the app. Trade locker froze on me on the app. 5 minutes while I was already in the trade, so I couldn't take out the trade. Of course, my trade keep going in the wrong direction. It took me out. You know, it's okay. I could be upset at my dad because he don't understand. If he didn't rush me off, I would have made 9-10 grand that trade, because I knew it was coming back down. I would have took profit. So I was forced to come off the trade. So since I was forced, I only made 3 grand profit. But since I knew the trade wasn't done, I tried to hurry up, get back in. I was in profit, but I was trying to trade while he wasn't looking. So, because I don't want to keep going back and forth arguing. And my spreads was terrible when I got into the trade. So I would buy here, but my end profit was right here. That much of a gap of a difference, so I'm in profit. So at that point, it don't even matter no more. I wasn't going to win them trades anyways. So, got hit with that. I see another great opportunity. I get locked out the app to where I had to log back in. Well, it froze. Sorry. Didn't get back in. And boom. Lost the count. I'm sick. That's why I haven't recorded. Because, like, I'm upset. I'm tired of spending money. Came to my dad's house. Dropped off the work truck. I've been asleep for 3 hours. I don't feel like going to the gym. I don't feel like doing nothing. That 50% discount code, gone. Now, I don't know if it's God, because they just sent out another 50% for new customers, so I'll create me a new email. But my bank account is literally draining. I'll give this one more shot. Everything I have, discipline, everything. Promise. I don't know if I should buy it next week. I'm going to buy it next week because it's already Thursday. And yeah, so. I'm so tired, bro. I think this job is probably one of the hardest jobs ever. Occupations ever. Just trying to master discipline, bro, just to be something great. This is literally a mental game. The technical analysis part is easy, said and done, bro. This is only a mental game, bro. Like, you literally need to write down your strategy on what you want to trade and literally sit there on your hands and just wait for that strategy every day. But you got that FOMO. You don't want to miss out. So when you lose, you want to get back in because it makes you feel better. Your subconscious getting a hold of you. Like, this is a brutal game to play, bro. And I'm 3 years in. And when people say they made it, they can do it within a year or two, you can't. I'm sorry. It's possible, yes. But the reality is not. Because you got to work for every dollar to buy these challenges. To build up your own account is so difficult. Start off with 1,000, 2,000, and just, because if you risk 1%, 2%, that's nothing but $20 to $40. You know what I'm saying? That's not a lot of money. So you do the profit from challenges so you can get the leverage and have more money to trade. To understand these rules and that they give you to discipline you, bro. Like, to follow them. One is to protect them, but for two, if you can handle prop firm, bro, you could definitely handle your own account. And I haven't been profitable for a while. I beat a prop firm one time. And the only strategy I was doing, bro, was breakout strategies and retesting. And I was trading in the stock market. Now, I always would be thinking, like, should I just go back to the stock market? But then it's like, I don't like where the stock market has been doing lately. Because the higher it goes, the more it's like, it's never been a high before. So, at least with CAD, I know it's potential to drop, go up. Because it has so much room to go. But yeah. So, I'm going to force myself to go to the gym. I'm going to try to get out of this funk. I'm going to still record, even though I don't want to. I don't want to edit this video because it just makes my stomach hurt. It just twists me. Like, I'm so sick of it, bro. So already this year, this is my third prop firm that I have lost. I lost a 100K, 200K, no, this 300K account. So I spent a total about 4,000 already this year on prop firms, 4,000 or 5,000. Like, I need to save money. I'm gonna go to New Orleans, Cleveland next week. I'm gonna go to New Orleans for a whole week. Then my birthday's the next week. That's 3 weeks of just spending money. Bills for my apartment just came out. I just paid off, what was it? $1,600 on one credit card, and I just paid $1,100 off on another credit card. Oh my gosh, bro. This is ridiculous. At the end of the day, as a trader, this is going to be a journey. You're going to be fighting 3, 5, 10 years, whatever it takes may be. But you got to take little steps at a time, and eventually it will all pay off.